Hey, what's up all you sharks? Welcome to Shark of Traders YouTube channel. We're breaking down FSLY, Fastly Inc. This was one of our plays that we called out earlier today. We watched the 43 break on our Twitter account, but I was actually, when I was doing my chart analysis, 44.15 more particular was that break that I was looking for, but intraday when I saw the momentum and the volume, I knew once 43 broke, 44 was going to be right in line and in store for us. So I just want to break down and let you guys know what I saw and why I alerted that to the community, and hopefully everyone was able to bank pretty heavily today. All right, so let's break into the technicals. Let's dive in. So the first thing that I obviously noticed, and I think everyone notices, is this huge gap down that we have here that occurred on May 6th. We had a $10 gap down. We were trading we closed at 57, and then we opened back up at 47. But after that huge gap down, what I did like, and it's an encouraging sign after a gap down, is two basing, even somewhat green candles. Okay, I know they're not humongously green, and they're not even as big as this humongous red falling knife. But I liked that we started to find a little bit of an uptrend. Okay, and for me today, what I was going to do was, if it broke the high of May 10th, which was 44.15, I was going to go ahead and initiate a long position here and ride up this wave up until, the 45 realm. Now, what was awesome was, one thing that I want to teach you guys is, when you get into a stock, you need to make sure that you've done your homework, and you need to make sure that you have a set plan in place. Don't chase and don't just get into any stock randomly that you see on Twitter. But if you make the right decisions and the right analysis during your homework the night before, like I did with FSLY, I was looking for that 44.15 break, and as it reached my 45 target, I just slowly moved up my stop loss so I didn't get a falling knife and I didn't have a loser, and I rode that thing all the way up until 47. I didn't obviously catch the top, the tippity top. I rode it up to 46.15, sorry. And then I was able to take a $2 share per share trade. I didn't catch the top over in the 47 area, but it's okay. I still was able to double my target by just moving up my stop loss and let my winner win. All right, so let's also get back into the 15-minute chart. Okay. And one thing that I want to let you guys know and show you, one thing that we love is in the beginning of the day with FSLY. I mean, we were trending down in pre-market, and in the beginning, a lot of things were actually trending down too. But we bounced hard off our RSI here, off the 30 section, as you can see as we circled it. And then what I love is the stochastic followed right afterwards, right? Started to uptrend too. We had our faster K line cross our slower D line here in a bullish trend. And then what I loved, and this is our main confirmation, is our MACD line cross our signal line. And when our MACD line crossed the signal line, that's a very bullish trend. And then once it crosses zero, that's usually something that I'm going to be in for sure. Okay? And once it crossed zero, our price action was very close to that 44. Didn't quite reach it, but my antennas got on high alert. I was very excited to jump into this. Okay? And then we had a little bit of pullback. And then when we broke 415, which I circled here, we broke it with conviction. And we rode it all the way up. Now, I didn't catch it at 47, okay? When I reached my 200% target reach. I was happy with that. I was going for $1 a share, and I was able to complete at $2 a share, and I moved on. One thing that you'll learn about Shark Traders is the rule number 1 is you'll never go broke securing profits. Okay? And I always recommend move your stop loss up so you don't get a falling knife. Falling knives have been happening in the market all over. It's happened this week. It was happening on Monday. And I don't want people getting caught. Today they happened too. I just played things that didn't because I stuck to my plan. And we rode it all the way up, and it was just a beautiful trade. Now, one thing that I want to let everyone know is this is still an okay buying opportunity here. I wouldn't say jump on in, but what we're now looking for is we're looking for this break here of 48.85. So if it breaks into the 49 realm, I'm now gonna look for this gap to be closed. But I won't be in that until around 49.11 section. And then what I'll look for is the 49.11 and see what's going to happen at our 200-day EMA. But what I love is that's not up until 52.60. So we have a nice risk reward. Other than that, guys, I'm happy that I broke down everything. I hope you guys saw what I'm doing. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you check out my Twitter. We're going to be launching Twitter Spaces on Monday, May 17th. Me and my partner at 8 a.m. Pacific, 11 a.m. Eastern. And I would really love everyone to tune in, and I will start to have daily watch lists that I give out to the community, and start to do some price action breakdown for them as well. All right, guys, stay safe, trade safe, and always secure the bag.